Hi Malik, so today you're going to be doing skills P21 and P22. So it's all about making change and then giving the correct amount of change. So for example, this first one says Cindy buys a cherry popsicle costing 42 cents. She gives the cashier 50 cents and the cashier gives her change using the least number of coins possible. So how many of each coin does she receive? So what we want to figure out here is first, how much change will Cindy receive? And then what would be the smallest amount of coins that she could get? Because you're not going to want to use the biggest amount because carrying around a lot of change is annoying. So I wrote it down over here for you. So it costs 42 cents and she gives the cashier 50 cents. So she gave the cashier, let's say she gave him 2 quarters because they're both worth 25 cents. Okay, so again, I have over here a quarter is worth 25 cents, a penny is worth 1 cent, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So first thing I want to do here is subtract 42 from 50 cents because I want to know how much change she's going to get. So 0 minus 0, we have 0, 5 minus 4, I could do, but I can't do 0 minus 2, so I have to borrow. So make that a 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And 10 minus 2 is 8. So she is going to get 8 cents as her change. Okay, so here I have different ways to represent 8 cents. So she could have given them 8 pennies. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies as her change. They also could have given her 1 nickel and 3 pennies, because remember, a nickel is worth 5 cents and a penny is worth 1, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8. They can't give her a dime because a dime is worth 10 cents and her change is only 8 cents, so that's why I put an X next to it. That's not an option. Also, she can't get a quarter as her change because a quarter is worth 25 cents, and again, that would be too much. So these are the only 2 options we can choose from. But on here it says that we want to find the least number of coins possible. So we're looking at both of my options here. Notice that the top gives me way more coins than the bottom. So if we want to find the smallest amount of coins as she can get, it would be 1 nickel and 3 pennies. So this is the option that we're going to want to go with. So in order to put that into iExcel, I'm going to put in my nickel section 1 nickel and then 3 pennies, and then I hit submit and I got it. Okay, and then I just want to show you skill P21 says you pay 45 cents to buy a candy bar costing 44 cents. You receive the following change. So you receive 2 cents here. So you paid 45 cents for a bar costing 44 cents. So the first thing you want to figure out is what is your change. So you'd want to do 45 minus 44. So I'm going to put 45 cents minus our 44 cents. And then we'll go this way. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So you should get 1 cent back, or 1 singular penny. So this is showing me that they've received 2 pennies or 2 cents. So we can say that no, this is not the correct amount of change. And I'm going to hit submit. Good, and then that's what you're going to do for the same amount of P21s, and then the same thing with P22 of what I showed you before. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions.